Hello, my name is Dr. Uwe Hilpert. Today I will show you the potential of computed tomography for measuring and testing additive manufactured parts and in the field of medical technology. In additive manufacturing, the most complex shapes of components can be produced by layered structure. This means great challenge for part testing with regards to both geometry and material consistency. Here, computed tomography offered a unique possibility to enable quality assurance. It is crucial that only CT can simultaneously determine the internal structure as well as the 3D geometry of the printed parts. Here we have, for example, such an additive manufactured part. We can easily scan it in the CT by putting it in and close the door. In principle, everything can be scanned that can be penetrated by X-rays. Computed tomography and additive manufacturing are two relatively young technologies that combine excellently with each other. In medical technology, for example, the combination has great potential. Especially with WENZEL CT systems, manufacturers and suppliers can increase the production efficiency and reduce costs at the same time. WENZEL offers a wide range of CT systems, from space-saving tabletop systems up to powerful universal CT systems for small parts as well as large parts. Therefore, we offer always the optimal solution for the application. With many years of experience and our permanent expansion of our portfolio, combined with a very high vertical range of manufacture, we offer fast and flexible reactions to customer requirements.